Hello and welcome to another episode of Artist Glamorous channel, and this video you can understand by the thumbnail. This is the part 3 of all skin type face washes and the review of those face washes and which are good for all skin type and sensitive and skin issues. So I have come up with some face washes and face scrubs too, as I promised last time that I'll be talking about face scrubs which are good for active acne. So here I'll be talking about face scrub which are good for active acne, and also about the face scrub which really removes blackheads a lot. So these are the bunch of things that I'm going to talk about in this video. So without wasting your time, let's get started to this video. But yeah, if you haven't seen the part 2 video of this and part 1 video of this all skin type face washes hauls and those face scrubs too, in every video I've talked about face scrub and face wash also. So you can check the link over here, I button over here. You will get the link. You can check the description box for the links. So let's get started. First of all, the first face wash I'll be talking about is one of my favorite face wash, and I really do love it a lot. That is from the brand of Himalaya. I've talked a huge Himalaya face wash and face scrub products and huge Himalaya hauls from my nearby Himalaya store, and also from like online Himalayas. And this I missed out this in the last video, and that is the part 1 video. You check it on the I button or in the description box below, where I have talked about all the Himalaya different types of skin types, and those can use the face washes. And this is the Himalaya Fairness Kesar face wash, which really is very good. And it says that instant glow brightens and reveals a glowing skin. 150 ml, as you can see, a huge one, and I've used a lot of this, and I previously buy everything in the small amount, and then when I use it and see any visible benefits on my skin, I just don't go on claims. I see visible benefits on my skin, then only I buy a bigger one. So it costs rupees 160, and as I have never actually talked about this product in the channel, so definitely very recently a detailed review on this I will try to do on this, because it really works great. It really works great if in all skin types, even if you have extremely oily skin type, extremely dry skin type, extremely like a normal skin type, and but it doesn't work good in acne. So people having acne, then do see the first part of the video or the second part of the video where I've really talked about acne, and in this video also I'll be talking about acne products. So this one is not for acne issues, but if you have any kind of face, normal kind of face, dry, oily combination, any kind of face, or any sensitive issues, then this face wash is very gentle on the skin. It works very nice in removing any of your makeup, and also removes very nicely in your water-based makeups, eye makeups too. So this is something a star product for me, because I really love this one. So obviously a brand from Himalaya, a trustable brand like this, even children can use this. Yeah, typical packaging of Himalaya, as you can see, it comes in smaller packaging with smaller range of prices. Right now I don't remember those, but this is 160 rupees for 150 ml, very reasonably priced. Coming up to the second one, that I have talked about in this channel previously. That is none other than Nivea Total Clean of that 5 problem solution, and it says that wash, scrub, pack, oil remover, spot reducer. So first of all, it works great as a face wash. It really works great as a face wash, and it says that normal to oily skin, normal skin people can use this, oily skin people can also use this. But if you have active acne on your skin, then do not go for using it. If you have blackhead issues, then definitely you can use it. If you are dry skin type, then don't use this. This will not work so good on dry skin type. You can use this as a pack, as a face scrub, as a oil remover, as a spot reducer, anything. It works really great. It costs rupees 120 for 57 grams or 50 ml of product, and it has the typical Nivea packaging with sky color cap. The product inside is white in color. So if you wanted to see detailed review of this, you can check the I button. If you don't get it in the I button, you will check the description box for the detailed one. Coming up with the next face wash, I really wanted to talk, as I always say, that for acne, this is a solution of acne, and this really works. I have talked about previously in the part 1, part 2 also. I've talked about plum green tea acne one that really works on acne and pimples. I have previously talked about Himalaya neem face wash that really works on acne, and this is something which is not available all offline, but you will get it online everywhere. This is a brand from Japan, and Japan's #1 acne treatment brand, that is from the brand of Acnes. It is a pimple defense face wash and also gives a coolant effect on your face. And saying that, I forgot to say, this also gives a coolant effect on your face because it contains kesar and mint into it. Anything giving coolant effect of in your skin, I really love those things. It contains menthol into it, and it is 50 grams and cost ₹19, very reasonable price. It has a shelf life of 2 years, and really liked it. I've talked detailed review of all acne products. Those are made for like acne treatments, and you can check all the cleansing, toning, moisturizing 3 products of this acne brand. If you are interested to see, then check the link and the I button. If you don't get it there, check the description box below. And it also has tube kind of packaging. All of these 3 face washes are very travel friendly, having tube kind of packaging, and they are very sturdy packaging. Coming up to the face scrubs, I have, yeah, you might be sounding into something like before on both the videos I've talked about only one face scrub in each of the video, but in this video I'll be talking about 2 face scrubs that I really wanted to talk to. That is one that I previously told that I'll be talking about a face scrub that is good for people having active acne. When you have active acne, you can't just go and scrubbing your face with half face scrubs, and that will actually burst out the active acne, and that will make your skin more infectious. So in that case, this works very great. Recently I have done detailed review on biotic face scrubs, so you can check the I button if you don't get it there, because a lot of things are there, so you can check the description box below. So biotic bio papaya visibly ageless face scrubs, and says that see fresh polished glowing skin, botanical extract, 100% Ayurvedic. This is 50 ml and has a ₹60 and has an expiry of like 3 years shelf life. Comes in a typical green packaging, and previously I've talked about biotic on the last video too, and this is very gentle on the skin, like you will see. First of all, it glides very smoothly. It contains very moisturizing, like dry skin people can use this scrub too if you have extremely dry skin. And you can see this contains very mild bits onto it, and it is a transparent fluid which having a greenish tint into it, as you can understand by the packaging inside. So a little greenish tint, and it smells amazing, just the same as biotic bio like tan removal one, same. And papaya, ripened papaya kind of smell, and it actually is very gentle. You can't even feel the beads also. It is very gentle, but it works properly in cleaning. So I'll just rub and show it. So the bits are very gentle on the skin, so you can definitely understand the difference of this. It works really good. People having active acne, if you have so much active acne that it comes back every time, and you can't scrub your face, you can't remove your blackheads and your dead skin cells, then this is a solution for you. As promised, I showed it. Yeah, coming up to the for rest of you who doesn't have active acne, a good face scrub which actually removes blackheads totally, and also from the nose area, chin area, which are more tends to blackhead, and doesn't goes out without using a peeler or something. So in that case, this can really work great. This is from the brand of Indian brand. First of all, this is from an Indian brand which is available everywhere, offline, online. This is from the brand of Joy, and this is the skin fruit oil regulating strawberry face scrub. I have used a lot, so it has gone ruined off. The packaging clears blemishes and controls blackheads, and as you can see the strawberry picture, you can definitely understand the smell inside it is of strawberry, and it smells exactly like strawberry. It says with active fruit booster, and also says with long lasting moisture lock, and 60 ml the packaging. Very travel friendly, has the same kind of typical packaging of this tip top packaging, and at the back it wrote that skin fruit oil regulating strawberry scrub exfoliates, clears and renews your skin, regulates facial oils, removes surface green and unclogs blocked pores. Active fruit boosters clears the skin of dead cells and reduce pore size, making skin firm and radiant. Effective in cleansing, like they claims that effective in cleansing blackheads and reducing blemishes. I don't know about reducing blemishes, I haven't seen it, but yeah, but it really works great in blackheads removal. It says that it contains aqua as a base ingredient, which is very good for oily skin type and acne prone skin type too. Aqua is a base ingredient, and acetyl alcohol, stearic acid, glycerin, glycerol, monostearic polymer, base mineral oil, many things. So it says that first of all, it is not an organic one, so let me clear out that. So if you have extremely sensitive skin type, active acne on your skin, or you have premature aging, then don't go on using this. Or if you're in any skin treatment, then don't go on using it, because this is an inorganic product consisting of SLS, methylparaben, propylparaben into it. So it says that it has an expiry of 2 years, and 60 ml container for rupees 60 ml pack for rupees 70. Very reasonably priced, and and the smell is amazing, as I told. So it is white in color. First of all, so it is something like this, white in color, and when you it contains beads onto it. The beads are, yeah, a little harsh as any exfoliator or face scrub. If I say it's exfoliator, then it is better to say, because it exfoliates your blackheads and removes blackheads so nicely. It works more than a scrub. So using it once in a week is good, but don't go on using any kind of scrub or this kind of harsh scrub into your face for twice a week. But if you're using this kind of soft and gentle scrubs in your face, you can definitely use it twice. So you massage it nicely, you will feel the beads into it, which is, they say, is that strawberry beads. You can see. I'll just rub it off with a hanky. So you can see, compared to this worked much, obviously, because it has much scrubbing properties and the beads are really harsh. But this is something which is really good, and for active acne or sensitive skin people, even if you have skin treatment, your skin treatment is going on, you can use this, because Part-3 is an organic brand, so there is no harsh on using this. Yeah, those were all of the face wash and scrubs I wanted to talk about, and those were all the 5s, and I hope it will be helpful for you. If it is, then please hit on the like button. And looking forward to do many parts of this face wash, because I love collecting face washes and face scrubs, and I love using new things. So definitely, if you're looking forward, if anything works out, more face washes will definitely come on this channel. So looking forward for the next parts of this videos, and hope you see the last parts of this videos, and hope this video was helpful for you. Then hit on the like button. It encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. Do share it with all your friends. Do comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video contents you wanted us to make. If it is appropriate, we'll definitely work on it. So just subscribe to our channel. We upload 5 videos in a week, consisting a lot of varieties of videos. Click the bell icon beside it, and don't forget to click on the all notification button on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our videos. Yeah, that was all for today's video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.